Hey everybody, if you know me, you know I'm not a big vlogging type of person. But, see these guys right here? This is Wilma, and up here, this is Majors. They're the proud parents of 3 chicks. They have 4 eggs. The 4th one should hatch like today or it's a dud. Let's take a look, shall we? Oh, they're so cute! Okay, the oldest one, today's Monday, he's probably maybe a week old. Time for me to take them out and take a look at them. Look! There's the oldest one. See those little wings? No feathers yet. Oh look, he just pooped on me. God damn it. Say bye. Great. Look, this guy pooped on me too. Maybe that's just them. They've been waiting just to poop. Oh, see now this guy's got darker eyes. He's definitely going to be a gray. Now this is the youngest one. See, there's no gray. See, no dark eyes. That's telling me this is going to be a special color bird, possibly a yellow bird. This one's the youngest. Of course, I'm going to keep an eye on him, right? Posting with you guys in a couple of days, maybe a week or something.